Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace valve cover gasket on 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery cable immediately. Remove engine covers and document spark plug wire placement for reassembly. Keep a tray for bolts and take photos of hose and connector locations. Label each part as you go to avoid confusion. Stay organized and patient to ensure a proper seal and no leaks. Before you start, lay out all tools and parts where you can reach them easily. Inspect the new gasket and compare it to the old one for correct fit. Drain nothing. This is a top-end job, so just cleaners and rags are required. Use a gasket scraper gently to remove remnants and avoid gouging the surface. Keep bolts organized by length and torque to factory specs during reassembly. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair manuals and PDFs much easier when working in tight spaces or waiting for sealants to cure. It fits in a glove box and saves paper clutter, making it a handy shop companion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove coils and connectors gently to prevent breakage, and store fasteners in labeled containers. Loosen valve cover bolts incrementally in a crisscross pattern to release tension evenly. Clean the sealing surface thoroughly and test fit the new gasket before final placement. When installing, press the gasket into its groove and tighten bolts in stages to specified torque. Reconnect all electricals, start the engine, and inspect carefully for leaks while it idles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.